Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Today's video is going to be about the blend tool. The blend tool is really useful and does some practical stuff first. Let's cover the practical stuff. If you want to have two rectangles and then you want them spaced out equally and you want some more in there, we're going to open up the effects and blend. We're going to blend them just 3 times. And now I've got 5 rectangles that are equally spaced apart. So now let's play with the blend tool. Let's take just a 2-point line. And then let's go to the distort tool, which is underneath your drop shadow flyout. We're going to pick the zipper. We're going to increase the amount of nodes. And then we're going to increase the angle of the nodes. We're going to go a little farther this time. Now to do anything with this, you've got to convert it to a curve. Then you can take your shape tool and see all the nodes, convert it to a curve, and then make them all symmetrical, and you've got that. Now let's go ahead and make this line thicker. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to mirror it. That's cool within itself. But see, now I've got the opposite. But let's look at it under the shape tool. We're going right to left. We're going right to left. If you would have mirrored it the other way, it's not going to work. So now let's make one of these blue. So I'm clicking on the item and then right-clicking the mouse. Then let's select them and let's blend them 24 times. And you get that. What is cool about the blend tool, I mean, that's pretty cool within itself, but then you can take this top blend and move it anywhere you want to, and you're going to get that ribbon pattern. You almost can't go wrong. That's like a wavy carpet. You know, you could get them. I mean, look at that. It looks like corrugated something. Anyway, hope that was a little bit of information, and thank you for watching.